Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the clouds staying with us, so are the rain chances, but the big change, 81 degrees today. Tomorrow, we probably won't make 60 degrees. We're going to get in the 50s and stay in the 50s. And I got a question on Facebook, and I want to do a little research. It's been a relatively dreary 2019, and I went back and looked at the days. Now, the mostly sunny days, these are days where we had sunshine in the morning into the afternoon. We've had several days where we've had afternoon sunshine or morning sunshine, but this is the tally for 2019. January, only 4 mostly sunny days. We usually average about 6 to 10 in a month in the winter months. 3 mostly sunny days in February, and so far only 1 sunny day, completely sunny day in March. So that's a total of 8 so far in 2.5 months. The main reason has been that El Nino enhanced subtropical jet stream that's been nearly overhead, and you're going to see it on the satellite imagery coming up shortly. But the good news is 2 to 3 days next week, maybe more, of some sunshine before the next weather system comes in, and that'll be a week from this weekend. Of course, the next weather system will be on the weekend. So here's the big picture. We got that deep low pressure system that has been weakening, still producing rain, snow on the backside, but all the blizzard warnings have been dropped, but a lot of flooding going on across portions of Nebraska, into Iowa, even into Mississippi, into Missouri rather, and you know where that's all going? Down the Mississippi River. So we have more water coming down, even though the local water levels have been cresting on the Atchafalaya and the Mississippi River. Meanwhile, the threat of severe weather continues tonight across portions of Alabama into Georgia. This tornado watch in effect until about midnight, but it looks like things finally calming down with this storm. Meanwhile, the tail end of the frontal boundary still producing showers along it. That's over here, but behind it as well. And as we take a look at Power Doppler HD and the local Doppler radars, we are seeing still scattered showers across the area. And this is going to be on and off throughout the night. Seeing some nice little shower activity just south of Youngsville right now, heading into St. Martinville. You're raining here, and then a few more spotty showers as we go back to the west and even back across portions of the Vermilion Parish. It looks like Kaplan, you're going to be getting a shower in the next 10 or 15 minutes or so. And more showers showing up as we go offshore out in the Gulf of Mexico, south of the Pecan Island area. And this is making a beeline for portions of Vermilion, Iberia, and St. Martin parishes. So rain chances that we'll keep it at about 30% tonight. It's going to be drier off to the north and west. That's where the drier air is coming in. Got up to 81 officially. Got the revised number for Lafayette this afternoon. Still sitting at 70 degrees, but dew points are in the mid 50s. But notice temperatures cooling down into the lower 60s, and there are the 50s. They'll be arriving here by tomorrow morning, and offshore it gets rough as well as that front works its way offshore. So breezy conditions. Here's the cloud cover. There's that subtropical jet stream staying right over us, and we're going to show you another model that's going to show you more precip than our Futurecast model. It looks like we're going to see rain chances coming around again late tomorrow afternoon, early tomorrow evening. Futurecast getting on the bandwagon with the high resolution model, and we'll show you that shortly. But the bottom line, we're stuck with the clouds. Maybe more rain chances Saturday afternoon and evening before it really starts to dry out on Sunday. Maybe a glimpse of the sun on Sunday. More clouds Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week look nice. So here's the high resolution model indicating a few spotty showers overnight tonight. They'll continue through tomorrow morning, so that's your 30% locally in Lafayette, closer to maybe 40 or 50% as we get down into Iberia and St. Mary parishes. Then a little bit of a break right around lunchtime. We might even see a little sunshine, but temperatures are going to be cool in the mid to upper 50s, and then comes a disturbance toward late tomorrow afternoon. It looks like rain will be picking up for drive time and evening time tomorrow evening. That's why we'll go 60% on your rain chances, and then those rains dip back down to the south around midnight. So temperature wise, we get down into the 50s, and that's where we stay all day long tomorrow. And with north winds and mostly cloudy skies, it's going to feel even cooler. We dip down into the upper 40s tomorrow night, into Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. Mid to upper 50s is the best we're going to do. Sunday we should get into the lower 60s. So lingering showers out there. Breeze picks up after midnight, that's when the cooler air will start working its way in, getting down to 56 the low, and we only warm up 3 degrees tomorrow. Rain chance during the day at about 30%, but increasing to 60% by late afternoon, early evening, as we indicated. Breezy north winds, but not as gusty as they have been of late. I have 30% on Saturday. That number could go up or down, probably up with the subtropical jet stream. Mostly cloudy Sunday and Monday, but looking good for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with temperatures getting right where they should be for daytime highs and nice and cool at night. The kind of weather you look forward to in the month of March. And of course, as I mentioned, the next weather system will impact us more than likely the following weekend, and we'll deal with that weekend. But I'm thinking Wednesday or Thursday, one of those days.
2 good days to play hooky, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Don't tell anybody.
You just did.
Okay. Oops.
Thanks, Rob.